Check out this 2011 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck Senior 5. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power outlet, traction control, power mirror, driver airbag, CD player, power door locks, and passenger airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.